Here is another winning bag strap I got on Amazon. I bought another one similar to this, but in gold hardware and raw vachetta leather and different looking clasps. This one is for my silver moments. It's all in black with silver hardware, and the clasps are round. This particular strap can be used with so many of my bags. What I like about the look of this strap is the lack of in-your-face branding, the simplicity, the adjustability, and specifically this little D-ring on the upper part of the strap. I really like the idea of being able to clip on something to it, like maybe my earbuds or keys. The material of the strap feels sturdy and comfortable, and the adjustable length means I can wear it higher or lower depending on how I'm carrying my bag that day. It adds a casual, laid back vibe that still feels put together, and it's wide enough that it doesn't dig into my shoulders, even when my bag has a lot of stuff in it. Now I'm 5'9" and rather wide, so I use this on the longer setting, the longest settings, which very fortunately is long enough if I wear crossbody bags. But if the bags are tiny, in some cases I do feel it's a little short. It's easy to swap out the strap with other bag straps, and doing so really refreshes the look of the bag without making it look too busy. And I really do like that this goes with everything from a tote to a mini crossbody. Recommend!